Hey guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to UpIQ, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to set live wallpaper on Windows 11. Now I'm going to share with you two solutions that you can use to achieve this. And the one is going to be without using no third-party application, while the other you'll need to get an application, but both are pretty important and easy to achieve. So what you want to do, the first option is simply right click on the Windows icon on your computer and go to settings. Now you want to go ahead and click on system and scroll down to the bottom and click on about and just check to see if you have Windows 11 25H2. This one here, Windows 11 25H2, allow you to set live wallpaper. Simply means that it can allow you to set a video as a live wallpaper, right? And this is the most attractive option because if you have this, you don't need a third-party application and you can just set a video if you have it, right? Other lower options to this on Windows is you can go to personalization and you can scroll down and you can go to, for example, your backgrounds. Then from here you can just choose, for example, the slideshow which allows you to set like a folder and those images will be changed, or you can use Windows Spotlight and those will also change as well into different images that Windows will share, right? But when you use, for example, when you have Windows 11 25H2, you can select picture and you can easily go ahead and, for example, choose a video by clicking browse, for example, and you can just select a video from this option, right? So this is how you can easily go ahead and set this within Windows. And I just want to mention that you need to have the Windows 11 25H2, and I'm going to show you. So if you type, for example, can you set, let's take that out of the lock screen here because I was just checking something. If you ask, for example, in Google, can you set a video as a wallpaper on Windows 11 25H2, it's going to say yes, you can. It is built in. So you can set a video as your desktop wallpaper in Windows 11 25H2. This is achievable. And so you can easily do it, right? Those video must be an MP4 video or MKV file to be able to select it. So you'll browse photos and it will allow you to detect and use those videos, MP4 or MKV file format. And this, just as I showed you, it is pretty simple, right, to achieve and to set. Now, if you don't have 25H2, you can easily download this version. If you're okay with upgrading with Windows 11 25H2, you can say download you can simply say download Windows 11 25H2, right? You search for that, it takes you over to the Microsoft website where you can easily scroll down, and as you can see here, it says 25H2 version. You can go ahead and you can either use the Windows installation assistance, or you can create an installation media file, or you can just simply download the ISO file and you can just set this up with, for example, Rufus. You can create a USB drive so that you can boot it, or just simply mount that Windows 11 file on your PC and install it directly. And all you have to do is just simply select the Windows 11 and just simply click on download. It's going to do some validations. Then you need to choose a language, and then again select confirm. It's going to do validation as well, and then from here you just simply click download and you will see that it started download on your PC. As you can see, it's downloading for me. So let me cancel that, but you'll want to download it and you'll be able to run it, mount it on your computer and install Windows 11. Or generally what others will do is just simply wait for that version to be available on Windows by simply going to the settings again, and within settings you go to Windows updates, check for updates or run updates here by simply checking for updates, and it will see if it will check, and if Windows 11 25H2 is available, just simply update your PC to have that version, and then you can set it within Windows. Now, if you don't have this and want to go through all of that trouble, you can use third-party applications such as Lively Wallpaper. So click Windows key on your keyboard and open up the Microsoft Store. And as soon as you're inside the Microsoft Store, you can simply type in Lively Wallpaper and you will find it. You click on that. And here you can install Lively Wallpaper. Now, once you install Lively Wallpaper, guys, you can easily go ahead and set your own video clips on for your wallpaper. And if you want to look for something, you can go ahead and look for short video clips or live wallpaper or video wallpaper, whatever it is. You can search on Google and you can set those. If you have your own video, it's even better. However, if you don't want to get any of that and just want something live, Lively Wallpaper comes with its own pre-video. So I'm going to open it because I already have it installed, and you will see that you can easily set that video wallpaper. And I'm going to show you how you can easily. So here, for example, it started to show a live video for me here, and this is a live video from it. Now I'm going to show you how you can actually change this on your PC as well. So let me go ahead and click down on this arrow on the lower right hand side of my windows and just open up Lively Wallpaper. So this is the application, and this is run within the background of Windows as well. So in your case, when you just install it, will appear there for you, but in my case I have it installed. So once I click it, it's gonna open up and move to my tray, and these are different options here that you have, right? So for example, if I wanted to choose this option, I can click on that and it's gonna change for me. As you can see, something else. Now to add your own video, you just need to look to the upper right hand side where you have this plus. Click on that and it's gonna say add, and you just need to go ahead and just browse your PC for your own video file. And once you find that video file on your PC, you just click on OK, it loads it in, and it's gonna set it for you as a live wallpaper. Yeah, that's pretty much all that you have to do to basically add a live wallpaper on Windows 11 PC.